Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix error code 0x0003 in GeForce Experience on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. You just need to expand the display adapter section, right click on where NVIDIA graphics card and select update driver. Select search automatically for drivers. After getting update done, just close stuff here. You just need to go to search menu and type services, click on open it. In services, you just need to find NVIDIA services. Just double click on it. Startup type set this to automatic, and if the service status is stopped, then you just need to start the service and select apply and OK for save changes. Do the same for other NVIDIA service as well. After doing it, just close stuff here. Now you just need to go to search menu and type msconfig. Comes up system configuration, click on open it. Select services tab and you just need to select check mark hide all Microsoft services. In this list you just need to find NVIDIA services guys. Make sure to check the NVIDIA services box. After check marking these, you can select apply and OK for save changes, and you will get a pop-up message to restart your PC. Select the restart option and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK to open up. In here, you just need to find NVIDIA Corporation folder. Just double click on it. GeForce Experience folder, double click on it. Now you can able to see CEF cache. Just right click on it and delete it. And now you just need to close stuff here and go to search menu and type GeForce Experience. Select uninstall option. You just need to search for GeForce Experience. Select the three dot icon next to NVIDIA GeForce Experience and select uninstall. After getting uninstalled done, you just need to check my video description for the download link. Select the download option and download it. After installing GeForce Experience, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.